This video, I'm going to show you how to enable Facebook Reels if you don't have Facebook Reels option in your account. I'll be showing you what I'm talking about. So in here, you will only see the create story and there is no option for create Reels, even in your Facebook profile. So here's what you need to do. So for example, what I did is I just go on to the menu right here, and then you will now see the option Reels. Just go ahead and tap that one and then tap on create at the top. So in here, you can now start to create your Reels. So if ever you don't have this option in your menu, here's what you need to do. So first we need to screenshot this page and then go to your profile and screenshot this one again. So once you're done, just go on to your profile menu, scroll down and select help and support. Under help and support, click on report a problem. So it says here, go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. So that is what we are going to do. So here I'm just shaking my phone. You won't see it here, but I did, and this one comes out. So just click on report problem. Go ahead and read this one, and once you're done, just click on include in report. So in here, we will be attaching the two screenshots we've made earlier. So just go ahead and tap on upload from phone. And then select the image that we just screenshot earlier. And then go ahead and type in describe the issue. For example, you can tell that I can't see the create Reels icon on my newsfeed and profile. I only see create story. Can you help me with this? Thank you. And then once you're done, just go ahead and send request. And then just wait for 24 hours or more until the Facebook notifies you again. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.